Hello, I'm Professor Ioan Sporea from Timișoara, Romania, and I am the Vice President of World Federation of Ultrasound in Medicine, and I am Chairman of the Congress Committee. Now we are quite to the end of the Congress in Muscat, Oman, the World Congress, and I believe this was a real success. Why? Because we had more than 800 participants, we had more than 130 invited speakers, and a lot of very interesting sessions. In 5 rooms during the 4th day was a very interesting scientific activity and a lot of intervention and a lot of discussion between the participants. The social program was very nice. We, like the foreigner, we discovered wonderful Oman and wonderful Muscat, and finally I believe that it's finally was a very good meeting. And finally, we invite you to come in 2 years in Kyoto. In Japan, we will be the next edition of the World Congress of Ultrasound Medicine and Biology.